Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kajila Ubakmi Yaka District Council Affairs Ba Prestone Tinsong Inega Sngi Ulong Baka Sorkar Jilla kan Sashim Yaka Rai Yaka Election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Hadin Mapindep Yabaro Kikam Bayade But Kajing Pynbeit Tamai Yaki constituency Ulong Baka Jing Pinbana Kalami Hakabalatung Yaka Delimitation Committee But Kadika Kamram Jonganika Committee Ben Pindep Yaka Kambala Binshet Hagaban Pindep Yaka Jing Pynbeit Yaki constituency But Hadin Ladep Kani Kaying dorbar kan sapha ya ulat kecela ban ajing menjur. Habakili laga Sorkar kan up yaka special intensive revision ne SIR jong ke electoral roll uba Prestone ulong bakani kam na don kam ya minta. But ke SIR kam hap hapo ka jingmi jong ka Sorkar jilla. Hindray ka day ka bahable da ka Election Commission of India. Kumban chupin kan mau yaka election GHADC la pinjlan hadin ka jing yaki bat ka jing klumar hari lungaru namar ka jing yo esiminta ki bar jala panlong ki kirtong but tap vote ha ka election shaka GHADC.
From the party side, we have decided to field candidate to this by-election to the Lok Sabha from Shillong Parliamentary Constituency.
So who is the candidate?
We will let you know. We will let you know. Yeah, we have quite a number of them. But let the election committee decide on this.
And also from the Rajya Sabha.
That we are yet to receive any notification, so I can't say right now. Let the notification comes from the election commission as well as through the office of the honorable speaker. Honorable Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Well, we are waiting right now. I think recently notification has come out where the delimitation committee was set up, and it is the duty of this committee to complete the task of conducting the delimitation process. And once that is done, then the House will pass it and send to the Honorable Governor for approval. Once that is done, then only we'll be able to tell you when are we going to have the election.
Will you be also waiting for SIR?
Well, I think that that is not necessary at this juncture, because the SIR again it is not within the concern of the state government. It has to be done by the Election Commission of India. Anytime when the order comes, we are ready for the SIR.